Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn on Facebook notifications for people you've mentioned before on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier to stay connected with the individuals you interact with most. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable these notifications. First, open your web browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, including a bell-shaped icon for notifications. Click on this notifications icon. After clicking the notifications icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In the top right corner of this menu, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the new menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various notification preferences for your Facebook account. On the Notifications Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. Within this section, look for an option labeled People You Mentioned Before. Click on this option to expand it. You'll see a toggle switch next to People You Mentioned Before. If it's not already enabled, click on the switch to turn it on. When the switch turns blue, you'll know it's activated. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for people you've mentioned before on Facebook. Now, whenever these individuals post something or interact with content on the platform, you'll receive a notification, helping you stay up to date with their activities. Remember, you can always return to the settings page to adjust your notification preferences as needed. Facebook continually updates its features, so it's a good idea to check your settings periodically to ensure they still align with your preferences. Thanks for watching our tutorial on enabling Facebook notifications for people you've mentioned before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Until next time.